Welcome to Chuckling Goat Tour Part 2. Today I'm going to show you the packing room, the dairy and the soapery. So if you follow me, we'll go through the red door into the packing room. So once the kefir is made, it's all brought into here and packed into those boxes there, sent out as a course. We also pack the skincare here, and this is where our courier collects from. So when the courier comes, we all give a hand and pop the parcels in the back of the van. And through here is a clean room, so you can only just peek in. But this is the dairy. We have the lovely glamorous Megan today. Hi. She's our dairy princess for the day. And these are the fats. So in here we've got the kefir grains and our goat's milk poured on top. It's left to ferment for about 36 hours and then strained. And once strained, you're left with the kefir drink, which is what we send out to you guys. So it's bottled by hand, the bottles are labelled by hand, and the cap's put on. And like I said, into the packing room to be shipped off to you. So if we head back out, I'll show you the soapery where we make all the skincare. Close the door behind you, please. So the soapery is a relatively new part of HQ. We've expanded, so we have a brand new soapery. If you come through this way, this is all of our stock. Everything is made and labelled by hand. So we've got the bath melts, cleansers and lotions. And if you come over this way, Danny made some Calm Down soap yesterday, so it's in the moulds curing. It looks a little bit blue at the moment, but it actually changes colour over time. And finally, these are the stars of the show, our lovely goats, who produce our lovely goat's milk to make the kefir. So we hope that you've enjoyed your tour with us of HQ. You can buy all of our products, our skincare and kefir, on our website, which is www.chucklinggoat.co.uk.